Stocks with established momentum that are setting up for a possible breakout which can result in a 8 to 20% move. Let's have a look at this list of around 31 stocks. Each of these stocks has an established momentum. That means like they have basically by momentum indicators, they're in a momentum phase. So Momo is one which is going sideways. See this leg of the move was very nice. If you see in this particular leg, it makes 53% move. It's now going sideways. Any breakout can be 20% kind of a move. GNW again, if you see this particular move is almost like 46% going sideways. NRP. Uh, this particular move was around 53%, now going sideways. Earlier also it made a move. This was a shakeout kind of a move. Now it's setting up for a possible breakout. Daktronics again setting up very nicely. If you see SNMX, lower price stocks here, this is the first leg of the move, 81%, and now setting up. Regale, another one which had a big move, episodic pivot, and now setting up for a possible continuation move. Weibo, if you see Weibo, this is like around 50% move, now going sideways. A10, STKL, each of these stocks, if you see like even this or this, they're all like having a series of narrow range day. That's what I look for in a anticipation setup, because range contraction is followed by range expansion. So when you get a series of narrow range days like this range contraction, it is followed by range expansion, and that the stocks moves in the direction of range expansion. Here it made a big move after a phase like this. So you're looking for range contraction. See here there's a range contraction, and from this particular point it made a 42% move. So you're looking for periods of range contraction basically. STKL, NTAP, then you have Zine, Ocular Therapeutics. This is like just had a big move here, around 48%, now going sideways. CHGG, GNCA, not such a nice setup because it's a little bit more volatile than I would like. CVGI, this is a nice one, again setting up for a possible move, big move here. You'll see that almost like 100% move, and this was like around 32% move. And then SC, Spectra Energy, Kongzu, your Urban Outfitters, then Bpop, which is setting up very nicely. If you see, and like series of narrow range days after it did make a move, but that was only 4% move here. Series of narrow range day, and from that it made a move, and that move was around 27%. Not a fast moving stock. Then you have Glyn Plains Renewable, GPRE, which is again setting up very nicely. Then you have Seiko, United Continental, which is a large cap, so don't tend to move very fast. EZPW, Bank of America, again another large cap. Then TCB Financial, Cyprus Semiconductors, Synovus Financial, Comorica. Then you have SunTrust Bank. I've put some of these stocks to show you that a lot of these banking stocks are setting up for a possible breakout from a longer term kind of a move. Either they can reverse from here, or they can, once they break out, it can be a big move. Like it's not in this case, but like say some of these stocks, all of these stocks are in a longer term downtrend and now trying to make a bigger move out of that particular thing. And then what else? You have Q2. Then Momo is the best out of that. Momo, GNW, NRP. Obviously the list is sorted by momentum also, so you'll see the better setups are at the top, and the stocks which are slow movers are at the bottom of this particular list. So these are the 31 stocks I would be monitoring on the long side for anticipation setup.